So most people solve this question like 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, right? Now 11 times 9. So 11 times 9 is equal to 99, right? So now 99 divided by 99. So 99 divided by 99 is equal to 1, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question here we have division, here multiplication, and here we have one parenthesis, right? So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis. So now 99 divided by 11. Now solve this parenthesis plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So times 9, right? Now here we have division and here multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 99 divided by 11 is equal to 9 times 9. So 9 times 9 is equal to 81, right? So the correct answer is 81. If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.